It's a closed shape يا آدم. Adam, I'm asking you, honey. If this, you told me that the polygon is two lines, right? Is this polygon or not? I draw for you two lines. If this polygon, this shape now, it will be a polygon or not? Hmm.
No.
No.
No, no. Tell me your reason. Not a polygon. Hmm. Tell me your reason, ya Adam. Why? Because
Because it is not closed.
very good. Because the polygon should be a closed shape, right? And we have different types of polygon. If there anyone can remind me what is the types of polygon we studied yesterday? We said that we have a polygon. We studied two different types of polygon. If there anyone can remind me?
Can I say it?
Regular and irregular. Regular that have same side,
Rahman, could you please?
equal sides and angles.
Rahman, say your
Yes.
name and then I will allow you to answer, okay?
Okay.
Okay? Then if we want to write types of polygons, which we talked about it yesterday. Huh? If you know the answer, please raise your hand, grade 7. Types of polygons. Only two raising their hands. Where is the rest of the class? Huh? What are the types of polygons? Ahmed Sabir. Ahmed Sabir. Ahmed Sabir. Good morning. Ahmed Sabir.
Yes, miss.
Did you remember the types of polygon? Hmm. We explained yesterday types of polygon. So the types
Yes,
of polygon uh, is what?
the shape, the
Hmm.
should I say the name of the shapes itself?
No, I don't want to classify a polygon according to the number of sides. We said types of polygon, like what? Huh? Read. Hmm.
Oh, and quadrilateral.
No, I wrote it in the screen. You can see my screen or not?
Yes, regular polygon. Yeah.
Yes. So the two types of polygon, huh? Regular polygon and irregular polygon. Do you know the difference between the two types? Between regular and irregular?
The regular polygon,
Hmm.
the regular polygon are like the square and the hexagon.
Hmm.
The irregular polygon might be made out of triangle or square.
No, a square it's a
No,
type. A square it's a type of regular polygon, but let me explain to you something. A regular polygon means the word all, okay? And in the other side, I have another word all. Who will tell me all what and all what? Hmm. With regular polygons. The first all, it will be with in regular polygon. The first all related to all what?
Can I say it?
Yes, sure.
All sides are equal.
Exactly. All sides are equal in length, right? And the second all means
All angles are equal in measure.
exactly. So the second one is all angles are are equal and measure. Could you please give me an example about regular polygon? Huh? Ahmed, you said.
Square and triangle.
Not any triangle. Not any triangle. Square, you told me square, because in a square all sides are equal in length, right? And we can say what?
And equilateral.
Exactly.
Equilateral triangle.
Yes, equilateral triangle, right? And any figure with all sides are equal in length and all angles are equal in measure. But irregular figure, we can find all sides are equal and all angles are equal in measure in your opinion, grade 7. If we are talking about irregular figure, huh? We can find all sides are equal and all angles are equal?
No.
No. Then in this one, all, or we can say sides are different, right? In length and angles are different in measure. Okay, so this is the first part which we want to revise it together today. Regular, the types of polygon. So we have regular polygon and we have irregular polygon. And we said regular means all sides are equal in length and all angles are equal in measure. Also yesterday we took how we can describe the or how we can classify a polygon according to the number of its sides. Huh? Did you remember? Did you remember how we can classify? We will mention any polygon according to the number of its sides. 3 sides, so we can call it triangle. If we have a square and rectangle, it already consists of 4 sides. Any polygon consists of 4 sides, we can call it quadrilateral. 5 side, pentagon. 6 side, hexagon. 7, heptagon. 8, octagon. 9, nonagon. 10, decagon. Okay, if you have more than 10, so we are going to put the number and we will put the word gon, like 11 gon, 44 gon, 100 gon, and so on. So the word gon means what? The word gon means what, grade 7? Like what? Sides. Okay, 11 gon means 11 sides. And we talk about regular figure, so we can say this one is an equilateral triangle, and this is what the figure at the middle is what, grade 7? The figure at the middle is what?
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral. And if it's regular, so we can call it square, right? And this side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It seems that all of them are equal in length. So we can say that this one is a regular pentagon. Okay, so this is equilateral triangle, square, and regular pentagon. Now in regular pentagon, we want to calculate the measure in regular polygon. Regular polygon have 2 different angles related to them. Like what? This angle is called what? This angle, grade 7, is called what?
Exterior angle.
Yes, so this angle is exterior angle, and we know it before with a triangle, right? And any angle inside the polygon, we can call it All these
Interior angle.
angles is called interior angles, right? So all angles inside this region is called interior angle, and this angle, it will be exterior angle. Is there anyone can tell me what is the relation between each two interior and exterior angle in the regular polygon now? What is the relation between them? Interior and exterior. They're summed together. They should be how many? This is exterior and this is interior. They're summed together. They will be how many?
180.
180. Thank you. 180. Right? Then for regular polygon, interior and exterior angle, their sum together equal 180 degrees. Okay? 180 degrees. This is exterior plus interior. Then, if we want to calculate the sum of measure angle inside any polygon, then in triangle, a triangle consists of 3 sides, right? And 3 sides form one triangle. Quadrilateral consists of how many sides, grade 7?
4 sides.
4 sides. Okay, and we can divide the figure and they will give us how many triangles?
2 triangles.
2 triangles. Okay. This figure is what? This figure is what? Grade 7.
Pentagon.
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 It consists of how many sides?
5 sides.
5.
5 sides. Thank you. So this is A, B, C, D, E. If I want to divide this figure into triangles from point A, so I have to connect between A and what, grade 7? I have to draw from A to what? Tell me and I'm going to draw.
Can you say the question again?
Again, I want to divide the pentagon into triangles, but it's allowed to draw from only one
Connecting A to B.
A to what?
From E to B.
From
E to B.
E to B. My question was from A, yeah, Ibrahim.
Oh, from A?
Yes, from A.
So we're gonna...
Could I connect with B? With B, it's already connected, right?
Yes.
With E, it's already connected. So I have to connect between A and what?
A and B.
A and D, yes. And what else?
And
C.
A and
C?
what? A and C. Very good. Yes, A and C, like this. Okay, then let me ask a question. How many triangles we found here?
3 triangles.
3 triangles. So 1, yes, 2, and then 3. Now, the number of sides was the number of sides in this pentagon was
5.
5. And the number of triangles equal
3.
3. What do you notice every time? Is there anyone can notice anything here? Anyone notice anything here?
-2 in every time.
-2 in every time, which means every time the number of triangles decreased 2 by the number of sides, right? Then if I will say now that I have a figure consists of 10 sides.
8 triangles.
And how many triangles?
8.
Very good. So we will have 8 triangles. Okay, Abdurrahman, don't answer, huh? Yasser,
Okay.
Yasser.
Yes.
If you have a figure consists of 8 sides, ya Yasser, then they will form how many triangles? 8 sides. They will form how many triangles? You slept, ya Yasser, huh? رقية.
لا مش ثانية واحدة بس ثانية واحدة.
Yeah. 8 sides.
Sides.
We will have.
Can I say it?
Yes, Ruqayya, go on.
6.
Miss, I said.
You will say 1. Okay, if you have 20, thank you, Ruqayya. If you have 20 sides, ya Gasser. 20 sides, how many triangles? 20 sides. Zena, you know?
6.5.
Zena, Gasser, concentrate, please. If you have 20 sides, so how many triangles do you expect? Figure consists of 20 sides.
16.
No. How did you find 16?
I was thinking.
We said every time, ya Gasser
Miss,
and
can I
Zena,
say?
every time we will subtract 2 from the number of sides. Then, for example, when we have 4, then 2 triangles. When we have 5 sides, 3 triangles. 10 sides, 8 triangles. Then, ya Gasser, 8 sides, they will form Gasser. Adam?
Miss me?
Yes. 8 sides. They will form how many triangles, ya Adam?
4.
8 sides. We said decrease 2. We said subtract 2. Then 8,
6.
they will form 6. Right? Then, in any triangle, we said what is the sum of measure angle inside any triangle? What is the sum of measure angle inside any triangle? 180, right? Okay. Then if I have 2 triangles, then what we have to do to find the sum of measure angle?
Plus 180 plus 180.
Yes, okay. Or we can say 180 times 2, right?
2.
If we have 3 triangles, what you have to do?
180 multiply 3.
Multiply 3. If you have 8 triangle, what you have to do?
180 multiply 8.
Multiply 8, right? For this reason, we have to know that to calculate the sum of measure interior angles in a polygon equal n minus 2 times 180. And n represent what? Grade 7? N represent what? N donated for what?
Sides.
Number of what?
Sides.
Number, yes. Number of sides. And n minus 2 represent what?
Number of triangles.
Excellent, excellent. Number of triangles. Okay, then if we want to calculate the sum of measure angle in nonagon, we said nonagon means how many sides? Grade 9, grade 7. Nonagon means how many sides?
9.
9.
9. So if I want to calculate the measure in nonagon, so how we can find it? The sum of measure in nonagon. So we will replace n by how many? We will replace n
9.
by 9. Yes. So if you want to find the measure of nonagons, so you replace it by 9 minus 2 times 180. Right? Then the answer, it will be how many? It will be 1260. If we want to calculate the sum of measure angle in heptagon, Noura, Noura, hello. Mariam, Marwa.
Yes, miss.
If we want to calculate a measure of heptagon, ya Marwa, how we will calculate the sum of measure angles in heptagon? Hepta equal how many sides? How many sides in heptagon? Heptagon, ya Marwa, how many sides? Is there any know? Anyone know?
7.
Yes, 7.
7. Yes, heptagon 7. So it will be 7 minus
Minus
2
2 multiply 180.
multiply 180. So this rule, we can use it to calculate what? To calculate what, grade?
Number of triangles.
The sum of measure
Sum of measures.
interior angle in any triangle. Then if we want to calculate the sum of measure of interior angles in any triangle equal n minus 2 times 180. Again, this rule, we use it for what? To calculate what? Interior angle in any polygon. Now, for the triangle, who will answer with me quickly? For the triangle, the number of sides is, yalla Yusuf. Yusuf,
3.
the number of sides is, how many sides, ya Yusuf? في triangle?
3.
3. And the number of triangles is
1.
1. Then the sum of interior angles will be equal 1. It will be 1 time 180. Okay?
Okay.
Next question. For the quadrilateral, the number of sides is? Quadrilateral, the number of sides is? 4.
4.
And the number of triangle is?
3.
2. Subtract 2. So the number of triangle is 2. Then the sum, it will be?
2 multiply 180.
2 multiply 180. Very good. In pentagon, the number of sides is?
5.
5.
5. The number of triangle is?
3.
3. So the sum of measure angle, it will be?
3 times
3
180.
180.
Times 180. For hexagon, it will be?
6.
6.
The number of triangle is?
4.
4. Then the sum of measure interior angle, it will be?
4 times 180.
Times 180. Then for any triangle, for any polygon, the number is n-gon, right? And the number of triangle, it will be n minus 2. So if I have this question now, for any n-gon, the number of sides, it will be n, right? And the number of triangle, it will be n minus what? Minus what, grade 7?
Minus 2.
If you want to find the number of triangles, and then to find the measure, it will be n minus 2 times 180. Because we said n minus 2 represent what, grade 7?
Sum of exterior
لا, number of what? n minus 2 represent number of what?
number of sides.
Number
Triangle.
triangle, right? Then n represent a number of sides, n minus 2 represent a number of triangle. طيب, we said a regular polygon means what? We said regular polygon means what? Regular polygon, we said, yes,
The angle
all
that have
sides are equal
All sides
length
are equal.
and all angles are equal in measure, right?
Measure.
If I would write a question now, find measure of each interior angle in quadrilateral. Then anyone know how we can calculate it? Find the measure of each angle in quadrilateral. What is the sum of measure angle inside inside the quadrilateral? El quadrilateral 360, right? And we have how many angles?
4.
4.
So we can say
360
360
divide 4.
divide 4. Yes? Okay. So if we have a pentagon, so we will divide by how many?
Pentagon 5.
5. If we have hexagon, we will divide by 6 and so on. Then if you want to find measure of each angle in regular polygon, we are going to make a formula which it will be equal n minus 2 times 180 over n.